Hello, children. Hearty welcome to our session. English is a wonderful language, children, and everyone likes to speak that language. Do you play games and sports, children? Oh, you like to play games and sports. Along with the games, everyone should have a goal, children. To achieve that goal, children, we should have some qualities, children. So, in our session, we come to our lesson, children, second unit, games and sports. In that, we reading what is a player. Okay, children? See, children, here is one saying, APJ Abdul Kalam, our former president. Not only that, he is the greatest scientist. Dream, dream, and dream high. For dreams lead to thoughts, and thoughts lead to actions. So, children, everyone should have a goal. In order to achieve that goal, we should have some qualities, children. So, let us see our poem. What is a player? Games and sports. See, children, a beautiful picture of sports and games. Here, children, be reading what is a player. It's our poem now. About poet Jessica Taylor. She is a young poetess. She has developed her love for music and poetry at an early age. She is a singer, dancer, television personality. Some of her poems are I look into the sky so blue. I miss you. I am worried like. Many poems focused on emotional issues without emotional touch. Here are some of famous sports personalities, children. Children, look at that picture. He is an Indian cricket captain, Virat Kohli. Do you know, children? Do you like him? Oh, everyone knows about him. None other than Indian cricket captain Virat Kohli. Do you like him, children? He also faced a lot of problems to enter into the field of cricket. After his father's death, he had tough time. He didn't give up his game cricket due to his hard work. He entered into the world of cricket and became Indian cricket captain. He achieved his goal, children. See, children, do you observe this picture? Who is she? Oh, you know her? She is Saina Nehwal. She is an Indian professional badminton single player. She is currently ranked number 1 in the world by the Badminton World Federation, and she is the first Indian woman to achieve this feat. She is the first Indian woman to win the World Junior Badminton Championship and a medal in badminton at the Olympics. She practiced hours together to get perfection in the game. Who is he? He is from Hyderabad. He is none other than VVS Lakshman. His full name is Vengipurapu Venkata Sai Lakshman, commonly known as VVS Lakshman. He is a former Indian international cricketer and a current cricket commentator and pundit. He played as a middle order batsman in the Test cricket. He had to fight a unique career, long battles to prove himself over and over again. to find a place in the national team. He also faced a lot of problem to get into the world of cricket. Children, who is he? Do you find out him? He is Vishwanathan Anand. We see Anand is an Indian chess grandmaster and a famous five-time classical world chess champion. He became first grandmaster from India in 1988. He is a versatile player. He learned chess from his mother when he was 6 years old. Every day he practices chess more than 10 hours, so he became world best chess player. See children, did you recognize him? No, I think he is a football player. His name is Sunil Chetri, who has triggered the craze for football in the country. Indian professional footballer who plays as a striker or a winger and captain both the Indian Super League side Bangalore and the Indian national team, popularly known as captain. Second highest number of goals in international matches. He worked hard to keep his position in team. Going to read the poem, we see the glossary. Look at the words here, children. Give up, live, beneath, below, underneath, whine, complain, pondering, think about something carefully for a period of time, unacceptable, unsatisfactory. More words, children. Failing, a weakness, fault. Prevailing, having most appeal or influence, dominant. Hurt ankles, ankle pain. Contemplating, considering about, chicken out. To decide not to do something because of fear. Children, let us sing a poem along with me. What is a player? A player is one who doesn't give up at the sight of defeat, but learns from their mistakes and put them beneath. A player is one. A player is one who doesn't give up at the sound of the buzzer, always giving what they have from one side of the court to the other. A player is one. A player is one who doesn't whine about their playing time, because a player knows it's an unacceptable crime. A player is one who practices game speed, always keeping in mind that their shots are not guaranteed. Player is one who doesn't settle for anything less, even knowing that they are not the best. They will be the ones you see outside practicing, day or night, rain or shine. They are the ones running on hurt ankles, admitting they are fine. Player is one who has a strong, sensible mind, never pondering about failing, only telling. A player is one who doesn't chicken out, who wants to be in the game when everything counts. Now that is a true player. Now that is a true player. A true player. See children, summary of the poem. Jessica Taylor is a young poetess who speaks about a true player. A true player is one who never gives up in the event of defeat, because success and failures are common for a person in games and sports. The player should play with true spirit of a game. A player should forget his mistakes and learns how to overcome his mistakes and concentrate on his or her game without going into a depression. The player should not give up his practice at the sound of the buzzer, should continue to get perfection in the game. Poetess says that players should not complain about their playtime. If the players do this, it is an unacceptable crime for them. If they think about the playtime, they won't show any concentration towards the practice of a game. Players should play in all seasons at all times. It, it may be day and night, or rain or shine. They should practice according to their game speed to get success. Players are not compromised for defeat or for anything. They should take victory and defeat on the same wavelength. If we get defeat, not to go into depression, children, or if we get victory, not to be proud about that, and concentrate on the game. Children, even they have hurt ankles or injury in the body, they should practice till they get victory in the game. They should practice day or night, rain or shine, in all seasons without any rest. Children, the players should be strong and sensible mind. They should have strong willpower. They should forget their failures in the past and focus on the present game. They should not afraid of anything. Children, first focus on the game but not on the winning of the game. The player should dedicate their life to win the game. They should have dedication and determination towards their game. At any circumstances, they have to continue their practice till they get success, not to fear about their defeat. So, children, life is a game. In our life game, we are the players. So, if we achieve, in order to lead a happy life, we should have dedication, determination, strong willpower, and sensible mind to overcome all the obstacles in our lives. Children, goal. According to your goal, you have to plan for it. Do hard work and have sensible mind. Scientist APJ Abdul Kalam set a strong goal. To achieve that goal, should have burning desire. Both are very important. If you observe any captain in the game on the ground going on giving suggestions to their teammates, the same way, if you want to get success, you have to follow all the qualities of a player. Along with this, personalities like Narayana Murthy, the founder of Infosys, the chairperson of Wipro Limited. He is a greatest kind person. And next, Dhoni is a successful player. He came from a poor family. Even though he came from a poor family, he worked hard and became greatest player. Children, once Abraham Lincoln, the former president of America, said that the best way to predict your future is to create it. If you want to live a happy life, tie it to a goal, not to people or things, by Albert Einstein. So children, set a strong goal and have a qualities of a player and get success in your life. Here the comprehension children about the poem. What is a player? What are the qualities that a true player should have? Children, see the answer. The qualities of a true player are: should continuously strive hard for success, should practice in all seasons at all times, should forget the mistakes and learn how to get success, should not worry about the failures, should think about present and future, should never complain about playtime and other things in the playground, should continuously work for progress, should know his strengths and abilities and weaknesses, should try to change his weakness into strengths, should take victory and defeat on the same wavelength. He or she loves to share and enjoy the opponent victory too. Should accept defeat with ease. Should have dedication, determination and strong willpower to accept anything in the game. So children, you have to inculcate all these qualities in you to achieve your goal in your life. What, according to the poet, is an unacceptable crime of a player? See children, according to the poet, an unacceptable crime of a player never thinks seriously about the time of play. He or she should concentrate on the game irrespective of playtime. Children, see the third question. It is very important. Which game do you like the most? What are the qualities of a player stated in the poem? Which of them do you have? So first thing, you have to write your own children. You have to start like this. I like dash dash dash. The second part of the question, the following qualities of a player stated in the poem: should not give up at the sight of defeat, learning from mistakes, not complaining about the playtime, practicing according to the game speed, practicing day and night, have strong and sensible mind, not too afraid of success and failure. And the third part, children, you have to follow the qualities in me. You have to write what are the qualities you have in you if you after reading the poem. Come to the next question, children. The poet talks about certain do's and don'ts for a true player. List them out in the following table. Children, fourth answer, do's, don'ts. From do's, first one, regular practice. Don'ts, give up at the sight of defeat. The second one from do's, forget mistakes, learn from them. And don'ts, stop the practice at the sound of the buzzer. The third one from do's, practice according to the game speed. Don'ts, complain about their playtime. Fourth one from do's, practice day and night at any season. Be afraid of their injuries. Fifth one from do's, showing one's abilities. And don'ts, settle for anything less. And do's, sixth one, be strong, sensible mind. Don'ts, think about their failures. Seventh one from do's, be confident while playing. And don'ts, fear about anything. So children, learn all these qualities from a player, and if you know all these qualities or inculcate all these qualities in you, you will get success in your life. If you get success, you will be very happy. Where there is a will, there is a way. Okay children, thank you. Have a nice day.